In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use CapCut to seamlessly integrate a green screen clip over a background video. If you've ever wanted to achieve that polished, professional look in your projects, mastering this technique is a great place to start. So let's dive right in. First things first, you want to have your green screen clip ready, as well as the video you intend to use as its background. Imagine this as building a layered cake, where your green screen layer is the icing on the top. To start, place your green screen clip above your background video in the timeline. This step is crucial because it determines the order in which your videos play, ensuring that when the green screen is removed, the background video is perfectly positioned to be revealed. Next, make sure to select the green screen clip. Click on it in your timeline. By doing this, you're telling CapCut that you want to work specifically with this footage, and it enables you to make precise adjustments to this particular layer. Once your clip is selected, direct your attention to the right-hand panel. Here you'll find a variety of editing options, but for our purposes, you want to enable the chroma key feature. Think of the chroma key as a magic wand that allows you to isolate and remove the green screen from your footage. It's one of the fundamental tools for this process, so locating and activating it is key. After enabling the chroma key, you'll need to identify the exact shade of green in your clip. Use the color picker tool available in the chroma key settings. By doing so, you will select the green background specifically, ensuring that only this green hue will be targeted for removal. Be meticulous with this step. It's important to capture the green that is present in most of your backdrop for the cleanest edit. Now with the green targeted, it's time to refine how it disappears from your scene. Adjust the strength and shadow in your chroma key settings. Strength affects how much of the green is removed. Too little, and you'll see green remnants. Too much, and you might end up erasing parts of your subject. Finding that sweet spot is crucial. Meanwhile, adjusting the shadow will help soften any harsh edges that might remain around your subject post-edit. It's all about finesse here, gently tweaking these settings to create a natural, professional appearance. And that's all there is to it. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, your clip should blend beautifully against the background video, adding a special dynamic to your project. With practice, this technique will become second nature, unlocking endless creative possibilities for your future edits. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.